It is Sunday, December 20th.
Hungover car fixing.
A little bit hungover. We're testing the fuel pressure.
I'm struggling again. Hang on.
Give it the old Nissan jiggle. Would you like assistance?
Your car is theft-proof. How do you do that? Alright, you ready?
Yep, go for it. There's a little bit of glare, but it goes up to around 40, and then immediately drops, which is a problem. So that kind of makes us think that it's the check valve in the pump, which is an easy enough fix. It's just a new pump. So that's good. At least it's not anything serious.
Basically, if it was dropping really slowly, that would mean it might be the O-rings and the fuel injectors.
Yeah.
But
luckily,
since it is dropping quickly, that means it's probably the check valve in the fuel pump.
You're a lot taller than I am.
The check valve in the fuel pump, which is letting it backflow, which is means that it will drain really quickly, or the pressure will go down really quickly.
That's the theory anyway, but we're going with that because it makes me feel better about the car and money. So yeah, that's what we're working on right now. We gotta disassemble this super quick, and then I guess I gotta order a new pump. But a little bit of an update. It's been a while. I don't think I actually explained this, but I got this Xenon air dam for an 84 and 85, and I was stupid and didn't read the description and bought it for my 86. I made it work. The 86, if you don't know, if you live under a rock, has the wider fenders, a little bit different attributes, just slightly. So yeah, there's
a little bit of gap.
A little bit of gap. I had to do a tiny bit of sanding on this. It's also not where I want it in the end, but I mean, it's okay for now. I'm happy with it. I'm also pretty lazy. I got new wheels for it, and I'm buying tires very soon. Those will be on soon. I'm really excited. Won't be a hovercraft anymore. We got this Momo wheel with a quick release because
race car.
Because race car. I have no good reason to have it, but it's cool. The carpet is in. It's all dirty again, which is fine. Got the pine needles. It's not complete.
Pine needle mod.
Pine needle mod. Welcome to the Pacific Northwest. I still have to get those clips on there. I need to find like industrial car staples or something, because over there it's not completely in and it's just kind of hanging. It looks bad, but I have other things like making the car actually run. So yeah, a little bit of an update. That's what's going on with 300. It's going well. I took it out today. When it works great. When it doesn't work, it works okay. So bottom line,
that's better than it could be. It could be when it works, it doesn't work great, and when it doesn't work at all.
It could be the 280.
Could be.
The 280 is undergoing a substantial brake job right now with some fab work for hard lines. How's that going?
I found the hard line. I have everything. Technically, I have everything I need to do the job. It's just hard.
Yeah.
I'm suffering.
280 difficult. They're easy to work on until everything is rusted together and won't come off, and then sometimes you just don't have a big enough hammer.
It's an old car, so it's easy to work on is the biggest lie ever told. Yeah, it is a lie.
It is just a lie. But it's fun. It's going. We're gonna get that done soon.
It'll be nice when it's finished.
Yeah. Intake is out. It's undergoing a little cleaning process right now. It's just drying. I got some cleaner, sprayed it on there.
I've lost so many brain cells from inhaling gasoline fumes at this point.
Yeah, there's I also bought new belts, which I still haven't put on yet. I'll probably do that soon. I should. And the cover is still just hanging up on the sign that we acquired legally. Yeah, I should probably put that back on. But it's going. We got the JDM cigarette box for no reason other than it's Japanese. You know how it is. One more thing, I don't think I actually put this in a video yet, but I got the Blitz Nurse Spec muffler from a buddy. Got that welded up. You probably heard it in the videos, but yeah, it sounds pretty good. It's not obnoxiously loud.
We got
the homies. Yeah, we gotta start disassembling the tester kit. You know, it's good that we did this, actually. I really didn't want to, but now this gives us good information on what it is.
Yeah. You pretty much it should be a pretty easy fix now. There's not a lot. Underwhelming.
We're releasing a new drink to the public very soon. It's called Not Beverage. Angry Face. It's definitely Ooh.
Do I feel stupid? Yes. Am I stupid? Yes.
All right, that's what's going on. Next update, probably when wheels go on. Yes, sir.